Welcome to Homework Lib.
Over here we want to explain why the nitration of anisole, which is this compound over here, is going to be way faster than the corresponding thioanisole, sulfur CH3. So in this case, remember that both of them are going to have a lone pair that is going to be allowing the activation of the ring as an electron donating group. In this case, the way that this is going to work, I'm going to do the example with oxygen, but it is going to be exactly the same thing for anisole. For the thioanisole version, is going to generate something like this. Let me make some space here. CH3, O plus, double bond, and now our ring would have this configuration with a minus on this side. Additionally to that, we're going to have also other resonance structures in which what is going to occur is that we're simply going to be moving around pairs of electrons. In this case, sorry about that, this shouldn't go here. That would generate a 2 minus. This negative charge goes into this direction and then over here. And I'm going to stop it at that position because that already shows why this is going to be an orthopara directing group. With a negative charge on this position and a positive over here. So what is going to happen is that the lone pair on the first compound correspond to a 2p orbital. On the other hand, for the sulfur, the lone pair is going to correspond to a 3p orbital. So what is going to happen is that the overlap between 2p and 2p orbitals of benzene is going to be more effective than the overlap in between the 2p orbital of benzene with the 3p orbital of sulfur. So these ones correspond to the sulfur atom, and these guys to the benzene ring. And over here, the same thing. The benzene ring and the oxygen atom in this scenario. So, since this is going to be true, that means that the OR group is going to be more activating with our benzene ring than the SR group that we're going to have. And since it is more activating, that means that the rate of the reaction is going to be faster. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.